What's up guys, welcome back to my channel where I talk about men's fashion and vintage fashion. So today I'm very excited because this video is sponsored by Colorsty, a brand that makes Oxford, derbies and boots for every occasion. So they sent me this box last week and I didn't open it, so this it will be my first time and I'm very happy. Already the logo is cool as hell, as you can see, and there is the name of the brand on the box. So it's looking good guys, and I will open it right now. So let's open this box. There are these shoes inside. And there is also a card with the Colorsty brand on it. Is a warranty policy and exchange and return. I think it's very important if you want to change the size of the shoe or the model and the color of the shoe. So that's really cool guys. And there is also a shoe horn inside, so I think it's very useful. There is also a sustainable message, so that you have to give this box a new life. You can reuse it because it's really solid, so you can put your shoes inside or other stuff inside. And also there's this little message from Colorsty. They're handcrafted and they have the best prices out there. So now let's reveal these shoes. So those are the shoes. Wow, they are so beautiful guys. The sole material is made of wood and the upper material is made of leather. They are so cool. I like the colors. I took the contrast brooks in khaki and white, and I took those because I can put them with every outfit. So I love the details on these shoes. As you can see, it's very detailed. And also like the color, they go well together. I'm so happy of this shoe. Like, it's too cool. I love it. I love it. So I think they are stunning guys. These shoes are so beautiful. I like the color and all the details on this dress shoe, and I think I love them, so I will wear them surely. And also there is the Colorsty brand on the sole inside the shoe, and I love them. They are made of leather and the sole I think is made of wood. So guys, Colorsty is a young shoe brand that combines classic with modern and also uses wild color combos to create these lit dress shoes. They are traditional dress shoes that are all handcrafted. I think it's a brand that's not afraid to use fun and wild colors to make them stand out from other dress shoes. I took the contrast broke shoes in khaki and white. The upper material is made of leather and the sole material is made of wood, so they're very resistant and they are very high quality for me. And I think they are so stylish and perfect for casual and elegant outfits. And also I think they are perfect for going to parties, events or weddings. They have this vintage feel, so for my style it's perfect, and I can use it for 1940s and especially 1950s outfits. So I think I got the right item for my style. And these models are Oxford shoes. So I totally recommend these shoes. If you want to buy them, as I said before, they do Oxford, derbies and boots with white colored combinations. And if you want to buy those shoes, you can use my code RETRO12 on the Colorsty site so that you can have a 12% of discount. So you better don't miss it. And thank you very much Colorsty for this opportunity. So now if you want to see how you can style your Colorsty shoes, I did a little lookbook and I was inspired from 1940s fashion. So I will leave you for the lookbook.